30 other things besides that.
No! Don't hit any bumps, Craig. I really want you to play.
I can change it to the time that's actually the time, or no name.
That wasn't the time, though.
I know, but I just said it, but I don't know how because this thing is like weird. Just like you. Fucking bird!
Watch the bump, will ya? We all know. Are you recording?
Record me singing. Hey, don't record me looking for red lights either. That could be a felony.
Is this a red light?
No, it's yellow. For a little bit, that turned red.
Are you serenading me?
I think symphony is sound.
I'm gonna be really embarrassed when we get to my house. Like, really embarrassed. Like,
Oh my god, I can totally get this on tape.
you might like